Binde Legal Tech focuses on delivering solutions for the secure documents workflow and also for contract automation, mainly. The problem has to do mainly with risk management. We focus on 4 dimensions of risk management. Risk coming from compliance, risks coming from data theft, and risks coming from information loss, and also market risks, risks of being outcompeted and not implementing new business models.
We started with focusing on serving the industrial market, specifically manufacturing. But then we quickly realized after a visit to the Hannover Messe, which is the largest industrial fair in the world, that the industry is not ready for open access blockchains. So the current state of the art are hyperledger-based solutions. So we decided not to go through hyperledger, but to wait until the market is mature enough. We anticipate that it would take between 5 to 7 years to reach that time. So we're specifically dealing with contract automation and secure document workflow, which is actually required in the original market that we have envisioned.